Hey there, adventurous souls of the Zodiac. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of 2025? Whether you're a Sagittarius yourself or have a special archer in your life, this year brings fascinating astrological shifts. In today's video, we'll break down the key planetary movements, offer real-world examples, and share how these cosmic energies can shape your personal journey. Buckle up. This is going to be a stellar ride. January kicks off with a major retrograde. Mars, the planet of action, is slowing down in your house of communication. What does this mean for you? Instead of diving headfirst into new projects, it's time to take a step back and rethink your approach. Let's take Sarah, for example, a Sagittarius writer. She's been planning to launch her blog but feels a bit stuck. Instead of rushing, she uses this retrograde to refine her content strategy, ensuring that her blog will have a lasting impact when the timing is right. Now, March brings an exciting shift. Neptune enters Aries, energizing your creative spirit and bold ideas. This alignment encourages you to take risks, especially in areas where you can express yourself fully. Picture Alex, a Sagittarius musician, who suddenly feels inspired to experiment with a new genre of music. With Neptune fueling his imagination, he begins composing unique tracks that quickly gain popularity. By May, we see a serious energy shift as Saturn moves into Aries. Saturn is the taskmaster of the Zodiac, pushing you to set long-term goals and stick to them. Take Sam, for instance, a Sagittarius athlete. He's always been passionate about running but never committed to formal training. With Saturn's influence, he decides to sign up for his first marathon and starts a disciplined training regimen. This energy is all about perseverance and building something that lasts. In June, we see Jupiter, your ruling planet, move into Cancer, highlighting themes of home, family, and emotional well-being. This transit encourages you to nurture your personal life and strengthen your emotional foundations. Imagine Mia, a Sagittarius who's always on the go. During this period, she feels an urge to spend more time at home and reconnect with loved ones. She organizes weekly family dinners, creating beautiful memories that will last a lifetime. July brings a tech-savvy twist as Uranus enters Gemini, sparking innovation in how you communicate and share ideas. Leo, a Sagittarius podcaster, decides to revamp his show by incorporating live video streams and interactive Q&A sessions with his audience. This period is all about embracing the latest trends and staying ahead of the curve. Between March and April, we experience a Venus retrograde, a period that invites you to reflect deeply on your relationships and personal values. Like Emma, a Sagittarius who uses this time to journal about her closest friendships and romantic connections. By the end of the retrograde, she gains clarity about who truly supports her growth and decides to nurture those meaningful relationships. Throughout 2025, Mercury will go retrograde several times in January, May, and September. These phases are notorious for communication mishaps, travel delays, and tech glitches. Stay calm and flexible during these periods. Double-check your travel plans and back up important files. Take Jack, for example, a Sagittarius digital nomad. When his flight gets delayed, he uses the extra time to edit a travel vlog, making the best out of an unexpected situation. Here are some key dates to note down for Sagittarius in 2025. March 30th. Neptune enters Aries, creativity boost. May 25, Saturn enters Aries, time to get serious about your goals. June 9th, Jupiter enters Cancer, focus on home and family. July 7th, Uranus enters Gemini, embrace innovation. March 1st to April 15th, Venus retrograde, relationship reflection. January 14 to February 3rd, Mercury retrograde, communication caution. May 10th to June 2nd, Mercury retrograde, travel and tech mishaps. September 9 to September 30, Mercury retrograde, double-check everything. Sagittarius, 2025 is a year of growth, reflection, and exciting new opportunities. By staying adaptable and open to change, you'll make the most of these cosmic energies. Whether it's deepening your personal connections, committing to long-term goals, or embracing innovative ideas, the universe has your back. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more astrology insights tailored just for you. Stay adventurous, stay curious, and may the stars guide you every step of the way.